In this video, I'm simply going to explain how you can blend two contrasting images inside of Canva. And I also hope this video becomes the shortest video I've ever uploaded on YouTube. So let's check it out quickly. So I have my blank canvas here, and all I'm simply going to do is to come here in Element, come to CEO, and just add these two contrasting images. Okay, so we have one fresh ground and one drought, a ground that is drought with erosion and all of that. And we just want to blend these images, from the fresh ground into the dry ground. We just want a smooth blend. Okay, so what we are simply going to do is we'll first of all put this one here and make it bigger. Okay, then we can also insert this one here and make it bigger, depending on what we are looking for. Now, with this process or with this step, you can choose to blend any of the images. Okay, you don't have to necessarily apply the effect on both images. You can only apply the effect to one. Very easy and very simple. So let's apply the effect. Since I have this one on top, I would come to my apps. Okay, and in apps, what I'm going to do is I'll just search for image blend. If you've been watching videos on my channel, then by now you should at least know of this particular effect. Okay, so this is what we have. Then make sure you're choosing this particular one. Okay, so we click on it and it should load quickly for us. All right, so here we have it. So what we're simply going to do, let me zoom in again, is to click on linear. All right, and you can see we have this vertical line that shows up. What we need to do is to make it horizontal. Okay, so we'll just keep it here and we'll just drag it. All right, and you can see how it's looking. Once you do that, make sure to click on save, and we should have the blend, very beautiful blend over here. So I want us to test the same effect on another example, and let's see how it's going to work out. All right, so we have these two images. We have the bright sky and we have a dark, a dark or a dull sky. You understand? All right, so we'll just make them bigger. I'll bring this forward. Okay, I'll bring this particular image forward. Okay, then we just come back here, come to linear, and I will just do the same thing with it. All right, then click on save, and we can see it's been saved, and the blend is actually beautiful. Like, it's so clean, and I think this is one of the beautiful things you can currently do inside of Canva. Let me know what you think about this, and just in case there's anything you want me to create a video about, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll be checking it. So yeah, the name is Benjamin Osh. Remember, there is no limit to creativity, and I should see you in the next one.